So this is part 2 for yesterday. We'll just kind of go over the parts with the metronome, and just so you can get the part, just to solidify the rhythm here. Okay, so we're gonna go at about 80. Okay, let me play it for you real quick. This will be just first 7 measures. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so measure 1, you have an open D and then a B. Measure 2, you have a rest on the first beat, and then you have an F sharp, then you have an A, and then a B. Measure 3, you have the open G, and then the open G, and the open B. So it's measure 4, you have an open G and a C, and then there's a bit of a stretch. You're playing an F sharp and an A, and then you're going to play the D. I'm playing the G and the C together, and then I play the F sharp and the A by stretching that out right there. If you can't, you can go ahead and just shift quick, okay? Okay. Measure 5. Measure 5 is a E and a G, and then you have a D and a G together. Okay, you're going to play that like that. Measure 5. Then there's a rest, and on the last 8th note going into the next measure, you have okay, so measure 6, you have E, then you have a D, and then a C sharp. It's tied, so make sure that you're not going to play it twice, you're just going to play it once. And then you have an 8th rest, then you play the C sharp, and then you go into measure 7. Okay, let's try that from the beginning. 2, 3, and rest. Okay, let's take a look at measure 8. This is the bridge. You have A, E, D sharp, F sharp. That's measure 8. Then measure 9, you have an open G, then you have an A, and then you have an E and a G together. Okay, let's try it for measure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, measure 10. You have an A and a C, and then you have an A and an A. So measure 10 is, and then measure 11, you have an open D and an open G together. Measure 12, A, E, D sharp, F sharp, G, A, E, and G together. That's 13. So let's try it from 10. 2, 3, and okay. Measure 14. You have an A and C. That's this measure 14 is the same as measure 10. Okay. Going on to measure 15. You have a G and a B, and then you have another G and another G. So 15 is 16. You have a D and then a B. If you look at measure 15, 16, it's the same as the beginning part. Okay. So just do the same thing. The bridge is measure 8. Ready? Here we go. 3, 4. And so on. From 16 on, it's the same thing. Okay. Take a look at the very ending, the part that says outro. That's the part where we're going to play. Let's see. So we're going to slow it down there. Okay. So on 23, all you're going to play is this: E, D, C sharp, and then you're going to play E, and then D and G, and just let it ring. There's a fermata there on the last one. Okay, so again, it's going to go like this from 23. Ready? Here we go.